Just like every video, I just wanted to say thank you for clicking on this video before it even starts, and I just wanted to let you know how thankful I am that you even clicked on it. But I'll keep this intro pretty short since I value your time. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, but if you don't, I guess don't do that. But this is going to be the why people drive slowly. It's not going to be a top 5 list like my other videos, it's just going to be more of like a why. For my first reason, I'm still going to kind of structure this like a top five, but it's not going to be a top five. It's really just the phones people use. I've seen so many people on the highway, on the normal, like, side roads, just on any roads, just constantly on their phone. Sometimes it's even like the Apple CarPlay system on your car. But as people are constantly distracted by screens at almost all times, it's like if you see someone in front of you looking down, you know what they're doing. They're on their phone 100% of the time. And it's just, it isn't really punished in the US like it is in like the UK or other places. So people keep doing it, which causes everyone else behind them to have to go at their speed while they're not even paying attention to the road. So that's just the pretty big reason that like most people kind of talk about, but yeah. A second main reason on like beltways or on some highways where there's more like twists and turns, there's a lot of people who have like bigger cars that just have a lot of body roll and they don't even know what body roll is. So they're just going on their way, then there's a turn and the car starts not rolling, but like going into the turn, and it's just like they don't know what to do, so they hit the brakes, which shifts the weight, and makes them want to slow down even more, which is just like a whole cycle that just keeps repeating itself. And it's really best to just get a car that you know how to drive and handle, and just do a little bit of research before you buy it. But it's just nobody likes going behind you, so please speed it up a little bit. A third part is just how ridiculously easy it is to get a driver's license in the United States. Like, I got my driver's license a few years ago, and all I had to do was reverse park into a parking spot and then drive around on the road for like 7 minutes, which that was literally it, and I got my license. I didn't need to go on the highway. I didn't need to do any parallel parking. I genuinely drove for like 10 minutes or less, and I got my driver's license, which, I mean, I'm happy I have it, but I don't think it should be that easy compared to like every other country in the world where you actually kind of need to use your brain. Like, I practically could get mine with my eyes closed. It's ridiculously easy, and it makes so many drivers who aren't prepared for the road for like ready to be on them. And it's just unless something changes, this is a major reason why that the drivers in America go so slow or so stupid. It's because they never were taught properly how to drive, which kind of goes into my next reason. But it's just the test's so easy. For the next reason, I kind of mentioned it just now, but it's like the driving tests are really easy and like they kind of stupidly easy, but the driving school is also ridiculously easy. If maybe if you're a bit older and you haven't had to like you get your license in the last decade or anything, I mean, I guess since COVID, but now you can do all of it online. Like, all you don't need to do any in-person classes to get your license. I mean, actually, you have to do three in-person ones, but those take like an hour each. But the vast majority of it, you can do all from Zoom at your house. And like the teachers, they barely even pay attention. I've seen people sleep in the classes, eat on their phones, on just everything. Like, pretty much every bad habit they would have on their road, they showed it in class, and they never got called out on it, and they just went on to pass test and get their license, I'm assuming, because there's no real obstacle stopping you. And it's just, these are the people who end up stopping you in the road when you're trying to go at a normal speed. I was saying that this wasn't going to be a top five list, but it's kind of becoming like top five it's not top five, but it's just five reasons. So I don't, I guess this technically is a top five list, but this is gonna be like, I guess, reason number 5/6. It's just a general disregard for all other people on the road. It's like I heard in the 80s and 90s people were like a whole lot nicer to each other. I wasn't alive for it, so I don't know. But it's just like a lot of people are really selfish nowadays, and it's just like if they can get a little one up on you and like stop you from passing or just doing anything really petty, they'll do it. And it's just like that's not something you want to be doing on the road, and it's not safe for you, it's not safe for the other people, and it's just like let people go. Don't try and hold them hostage. It genuinely, the situation is good for no one. It's just if there's someone trying to pass you, let them go. Don't be a dickhead, bruh. It's just we're all people. Like I said before, this kind of became another top five. No, I'm not saying top five. A list of five things. But what's it called? I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate either one of those. If you liked something or disliked something, feel free to leave a comment. I'd be happy to respond to any of you guys. It'd make me happy just to see what you guys think of the video. But I hope you all enjoyed, and just a lot of this genuinely comes down to just like a lack of teaching and understanding among other drivers. So if and I'm asking for anything, it's like just be a little courteous. If you have a question, feel free to leave it in the comments or Google it about driving. You can ask me any question you have. Just doesn't need to be about this video, and I'll make sure to answer it. Thanks for getting this far, and peace.